Hey my beautiful people, so today we are going to do this beautiful winter like pink and blue eyeshadow look, and we're going to do my whole face. So we're starting off with the NYX pore filler. Y'all, the pores they pouring, so I was like, let me try this. I'm following up with the Milk primer, and honestly, because we like to be honest here, I think I like the NYX one better. I heard this one and the NYX one are supposed to be very similar, but I think I like the NYX one better. I'm gonna use it because I got it, but yeah. We're using 3 different products for my foundation today. We are going to use the Danessa Myrick in shade 9. What is this? The Ordinary foundation in 3.2R, and we are going to use Revolution Beauty Glow Skin Perfector. I also like to spray some setting spray into this mixture just because y'all don't know how many shirts I have ruined with my makeup. Just going on, I look down, makeup on my shirt, makeup on my hands, makeup all over my pants. Y'all, I've ruined so many pieces of clothing. So I like to literally do this way. So let's talk about this Danessa Myrick. Okay, I love it. This is definitely a summer go-to. I'm gonna wear it all year long, but if you want your skin to look like skin, you want to look like you're not really wearing makeup, this is it. I have it in the shade 9. I need to darken it up just a little because I still haven't lost my summertime tan. So that's why I put some of the Ordinary into it and did it that way. So with the brows, I am somewhere between these soap brows because I like them. I like how thick they look. And 2016 brows. They iconic. I can't give them up. Also, my eyebrows need to be done. Okay. Oh, they look a mess. So we trying the best we can. So I'm going in and just using Revolution Beauty brow gel, and then following up with filling in a little bit with a brow pencil, and I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro concealer to just like clean up around, because like I said, there's some hairs that need to be removed, and I'm just using a shade that's close to my skin tone, not too light, because I'm trying to make it look like, you know, they nicely freshly arched but not too crazy. And just going in with a brush to blend them out. That is in the color Dark Cocoa. And then for my what's that? Y'all, I forgot just that quick. For my contour, yes, that's what it is. For my contour, I am using Mahogany from LA Girl Pro Conceal to contour my nose and my cheeks. I like to spray my brush down with my setting spray and blend that out on my cheeks. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to, you know, get my nose together. Get that contour look on my nose. So now we're going into the eyes. I'm using Revolution Beauty Eye Primer. I'm going to set that once I blend it out with my finger. Set that with the L'Oreal Infallible Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going in just with a black eyeliner because this is gonna give us that smoky look without it being too smoky. Okay, I'm just gonna place it in the areas where I want it to be kind of more smoky at, and then I'm going to blend that out with a fluffy brush. I'm going in with my Morphe Mickey and Friends Truth Be Bold, and we're going to use this pink color on that side and this pink color in the middle, and we are going to start in our crease, and we're going to blend And then we're gonna bring it down our lid. We're just gonna sweep that pink color under our lower lash. Make sure that you are blending it from side to side. We're gonna follow up with the Coca-Cola 1971 palette from Morphe. We're gonna use that pink shimmer color. This palette, like, y'all, I'm really in love with this palette for real. Oh, I need another one. Okay, so we're just gonna put that over our lid, and then we're going to blend between those two colors before moving on to the next step. Now we're going to use this Colourpop. It's called Lock, I think, and it's like a dark kind of navy bluish gel shadow. I love it. It's so cute, and I didn't know what I wanted to use it for, but I'm so happy I have it for this look. It is so pretty. I'm going to put a little of that bluish green color over the top just to bring some more of that blue out. Oh, it's so cute. Y'all love it so much. Now we're following up with this Revolution Beauty silver shadow, and I'm just going to brush some of that on a fluffy brush to put in the corner of my eye. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Great Lash, cause your girl forgot to get lash glue, so tiny lashes activate. Okay, cause my lashes are so short, y'all, but we gonna make it work. Following up with our Fenty Beauty in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. Why can't I say it? Why am I stumbling? Okay, whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I love this because it's like a peachy pink, and I feel like that just looks so good on my skin tone, so I used it as blush and a little highlighter on my nose and my Cupid's bow. I should have put more on. I just love this stuff. It's so pretty. I'm going in with my Dior. It is Dior in 400. It's the Velvet Nude Line collection. I'm lining my lips with a medium brown lip color, putting on this, ooh, so pretty, nude lip stick from Dior. And then I am going to follow that up. It looks red on camera, but I promise you it's like a brown, not deep brown, but it is brown. And I'm going to follow that up with Cinnamon Roll from NYX. It's their butter gloss. Y'all, if y'all have not tried their butter gloss, so good, y'all should try it. And this was the look. Y'all should go check out some more videos just like this one.